Good morning, YouTube. It's like 9 in the morning right now. We're going to be installing actually one part on the car. So I bought something for the car. I'm just going to be installing. Hey, look, the hood pins actually look really good. Like I said, TB continue. Look at those hood pins. They actually look really good. We're going to be installing something on the car today. It's actually a really simple install. Just going to be installing an antenna on my car. It's basically the American Muscle 8-inch antenna. So let me go get it real quick. It should be really easy to install. You literally just unscrew this, and that's it. So it should be a really easy install. This actually should be a really short video. So yeah, but it's just something to change up the look of the car, the 4.0 V6 Mustang. So yeah, just thought I'd do something small because I needed to do something to the car. So yeah. So this is the part I pretty much bought. It's just a screw-in antenna. It basically makes the antenna go from that high. So it's basically an 8-inch antenna. Basically, it's because when I drive, you hear it. You know, you can see the antenna shaking so when I drive. And also because I'm just really tired of seeing it shake, and because it's magnetic, and there's always a magnet around me, and it pulls the antenna. So I'd prefer to just make it smaller. You know, smaller is better, and also because a smaller antenna will actually have a different look to the car. I give it like a 13-14 kind of look. So the 13-14 has them in the back though. But I mean, it's pretty simple, so let's just do it real quick. Alright, what's going on YouTube? So I'm back. Another video. And actually it's the same video on my antenna. You may be wondering, why the fuck is my car on a jack stand? Or on a ramp? And I'll tell you about that in a bit, but damn, I want my fitment to be like that. That is nice. I'll do that eventually on a video with some springs or something. Or damn, that's just my car has to be that low. I like it. I like that low. But maybe wondering what the hell happened. Why is my car on a stand? Last time we were screwing in a thing, and yeah, I'll show you. So there it is. That's my new short antenna. It's from AmericanMuscle.com, but what they don't tell you is you're supposed to unscrew it this way and not this way. My other antenna, I was screwing it this way, and I broke it. I broke the thread. It's a reverse threader. You're supposed to reverse thread them like that. So I snapped my antenna off by accident. So that means I had to pull all of this off, and to get under there it was pretty hard, and then I had to stick my hand in a hole in there to run an antenna into the car. Basically, I had to buy a new antenna, and that cost 30 bucks. So I literally had to run a new antenna from down there into the thing, which is pretty much what happened. And yep, that's why I'm on a jack stand. Oh, that's why I'm on that. So don't do what I do. Do not use a wrench, and do not twist this way, because I snapped it. Make sure you go this way, not this way. I snapped it. And here are the bolts to my other antenna from where I snapped it. So, oof. My workbench is the old antenna. This is the one I snapped. So that kind of sucks butt cheeks. So I snapped it. Yep, and there's the Project 3.8 Mustang that I'm working on that I need to finish. This just needs a motor drop in already, and it's done. This is almost done. Actually, I might have some stuff coming for this car for the new Edge owners out there. It may be cosmetic, but I mean, it's something, right? So yeah, that happened, and that happened. So I have bad luck. Sketchy that is, and that's also up on a stand because this fell off. The side panel fell off, so I had to go with my dad to buy self-tapping screws, and we just drilled it in because hell no, I ain't gonna spend no money at the dealership. And I'm running a summer tire. That's my tires. curious as to why they're crooked, why the mufflers are crooked, I bought some SV axle backs off a dude. They were used. The person that installed them couldn't get them to fit, and that's why they're crooked. That's why they're freaking crooked, because they couldn't get them to fit. And yeah, so it's just SV axle backs and pace setter long tube headers is pretty much all I have. I might be getting a mid pipe for this car soon. Actually, I might have a couple of things for this car coming soon. Actually, there's a lot of things that I have on this car that you guys don't know about, like headlights, and like I have a lot of stuff on this car, like headlights and brakes and GT400 wing. And yeah, it's been a while. I've actually been doing things since you guys last saw it.